Hey there, I'm Amber, and 7 years ago, I decided to try to learn an old skill that suddenly seemed relevant again. I'm talking about canning. Do you ever worry about the rising food prices, or do you ever think about how can I stock my pantry with healthy foods that don't contain tons of preservatives? If so, you're in the right place. I'm hosting a totally free live canning masterclass this Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During this class, I'll teach you how to start canning your own food at home, even if you've never done it before. You'll discover my simple step-by-step process, and I promise it's not overwhelming. I'm going to teach you to avoid the mistakes that I made when I started, and there were quite a few. And you're going to see how canning can actually save you quite a bit of money and offer some food security, even when we go through troubling times. Plus, you'll get a free canning starter checklist just for showing up to the class to help you get started, with links to all of the most important canning supplies and a list of things you don't actually need that might be a waste of your money and time. Here's the thing, this masterclass is going to be held live, and there are only 2,000 seats available. Click the button below to reserve your seat right now, and I look forward to seeing you Friday night to teach you a little more about how to start canning.